Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to another video. My name is Michael. Today I don't have really good news to share with you guys, but I believe it's my duty as a content creator. I want to be loyal to the truth, and I want to give you guys an update on the Lume-x 2.0. Yesterday I was trying to shoot my new video for the channel, and it didn't go very well, let's put it that way. So today I decided to not upload that video because I didn't get to finish it, and I decided to do this video to update you guys on the Lume-x 2.0 light kit. So if you're interested in learning about my new review, don't go anywhere and stay here with me. Alright guys, and we're back. So first of all, I want to go ahead and point out the key features of why I decided to invest in these lights. There are so many options available on Amazon online that you can choose to, as opposed to these $80 or $90 Lume-x lights. So the main two reasons why I decided to invest in these lights was the wireless capability. So these lights are wireless, so you can download the Lume-x app to your phone and you can control them with your phone. To me, that's a plus, because sometimes when you're a one-person crew, it just makes things so much easier when you're next to the camera and you can control the light with your phone instead of going around and changing a setting and then going back to the camera and then going around. That to me is a game changer as far as the wireless capability. And the second one was the accessory kit. At that time, there weren't many Q lights like this one that have accessory kits. And now there's some available on Amazon, which is really good. So now the competition is catching up to these lights. Hey guys, sorry for the interruption. I wanted to ask you for a small favor. If you are enjoying my video, can you hit that like button? It helps me a lot with the YouTube algorithm. And also, if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you like the content I'm producing, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to activate that notification bell so that way you don't miss any of my videos. And now back to the video. But the main reason why, the second main reason why, but it's because of their accessory. They have a ton of accessories available, and it makes it so convenient for when you're taking photography, because you have the barn doors, you got the honeycomb grips, you got the gels, you got all those options available, which is really nice. Now, like I mentioned before, now there's some competition available that has the same, I would say almost the same accessories as this one. So far my experience with these lights have been really good. Battery has been decent, but yesterday I had a bad experience, and I wanted to share that with you guys because I think it's very important. So on my next video, I was trying to do some water shooting, some water photography, and I wanted to submerge my light in water. The problem is that after getting the light out of the water, my lights stopped working. When I looked at it here on the lens, there was water inside, and on the back where the USB charger goes, it has some water in it. So based on that experience, I can tell you these lights are not waterproof. We can say maybe water resistant, but not waterproof. So just wanted to point that out. So if you're looking at getting these lights because you're looking at taking some creative photography or videos in the water or in a water tank, these lights are not waterproof. Just keep that in mind. I tried the second one to see if maybe this one was defected, and the same thing happened to my second light. I also bought a new kit, and I noticed the same build quality on the back. I think the water is leaking from here on the back, and maybe right here where the screen protector is at, or the lens, I think. Obviously there's water leaking here because there was water here. So I just wanted to point that out. So if you're interested in buying one of these lights, just keep that in mind. Also, not sure if it's because maybe when I tested the first time the lights in the water was in 2020, After that, I noticed that the lights will overheat, specifically one of them. The other one did not overheat, but one specifically overheat. And then it will drain a little fast, the battery. So I had to plug it into a USB power. Now, what I noticed is that my two lights, both of them connected to a USB power cord, one of them will stay on, and the other one, after maybe overheating, it will completely shut off. So I believe the water damaged the electronic part inside this Lume-x light. So I just wanted to point that out. Other than that, my experience using these lights has been really good. I do recommend it, but don't submerge them in water. These are not waterproof, they're water resistant. All right. Alright guys, so that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed my updated review on the Lume-x 2.0. I'm curious, let me know how has it been, your experience with these lights. Have you had any problems? Has it been a great experience? Have you submerged them in water? If you haven't, I will encourage you not to do it. But if you have any feedback for me as far as these lights, let me know, because I'm curious to see if it's just maybe me, or maybe just my two kits of light that are having just the water problem issue. But I would love to hear from you guys, so let me a comment below. And other than that, if you can do me a favor, if you did like or enjoy this video, if you can like it, it helps me a lot with the YouTube algorithm. And if you're new here to the channel and you like the content I'm producing, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to activate that notification bell so that way you don't miss any of my new videos. Other than that guys, I will see you next time. Take care guys, bye.